It's 2025, and if you're still using your keyboard to type emails, write blog posts, and text-based communication, you are not being productive enough. To be productive, you need to do stuff as fast as possible, keeping the same kind of accuracy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can replace your keyboard and actually use your voice to write on your computer. You don't have to be articulative to actually use your voice to convert it into text, because AI is going to help you and improve your writing drastically. If you are on a Mac, the dictation feature on Mac computer is quite accurate because now Apple is incorporating the AI into their native applications as well. So if you have to write anything, you can simply start dictation on your Mac computer and you are good to go. But sometimes you need things a little polished, and for that you can use third-party tools. One tool is Flow AI, which has been featured on Product Hunt. You can download and install it. Once installed, you can start talking into it and it will convert your text. It basically uses Whisper AI, which is OpenAI's speech to text model, and it is pretty accurate. The problem with this application is the free version gives you only 2,000 words per week. There is a limit, and after that you won't be able to use it. So maybe it's good enough if you want to reply to few and comment on social media posts every now and then. But if you want to involve this application in your workflow, you need to pay $12 a month if you go for the yearly plan. For the monthly, it will be $15. So here's an even better option for you, which is also freemium. You have to pay to unlock all the features, but the features offered in free version is also quite amazing, and there is no limit of words because all of the transcription is done locally on your computer. The application I'm talking about is Mac Whisper, listed on Gumroad. You can download the free version, although the paid version only costs 59 euros, so around $65, which is not much because it is one-time payment, and the features it provides, it's definitely worth every penny. So I have purchased it actually, and this is how the software is. It not only has dictation but also has got a lot of other features. For example, recording meetings. If you're in a Zoom call, you can launch this application. The recent version allows you to automatically start this when it detects a meeting. I haven't tested it yet, but it is an amazing feature if you want to transcribe meetings. Other is you can start recording and speak into the microphone, which is good for creating scripts or writing blog posts because it will give you the transcription. You can use ChatGPT and other AI models to refine that transcription or make a layout of it so you can publish it later. But since this video is about dictation and using your voice to write emails and everything on your computer, I will talk about this dictation feature. This dictation feature from Mac Whisper can be assigned on your keyboard so that you can easily start it, speak into the microphone, and when you release it, it will transcribe things for you. Let me give you a brief example how this works. Suppose I am in a document file. I have assigned this dictation feature to the right option key. If I press the option key, it will fire up. So this is something I want to tell you how amazing it is that it is able to transcribe whatever I speak into the microphone. When I release it, will transcribe it, and this is the result. You can say it is amazing. Now let me use the native dictation feature of the Mac computer. This is something I want to tell you how amazing it is that it is able to transcribe whatever I speak into the microphone. So this is also good. The native feature is also good, but sometimes it does not work that way. This is where the dictation feature of Mac Whisper is amazing. You can use AI to clean up the transcription. The grammatical mistakes will be corrected. For that, you go to the settings of Mac Whisper and go to dictation. When you scroll down, you will find these AI prompts. One is clean up, the other one is translate Spanish and professional. You can add as many as you want. Click here and write your prompt, give it a name. Let me show you the cleanup prompt. The cleanup prompt is clean up this dictated transcript and remove any grammar or spelling issues. Whenever you speak into the microphone, the audio file gets transcribed, and after that, it goes to ChatGPT and gets cleaned up. Grammatical mistakes are fixed, and you get the polished version of your transcription. And for this to work, you need OpenAI's API key, and you can assign it inside this Mac Whisper so that these prompts work for you. If you're someone who pauses a lot or makes mistakes a lot, then the dictation prompt is actually pretty useful because you don't have to do it manually. It is all done automatically. And obviously the native dictation feature is not going to work in this scenario because it will not refine the transcription. So this dictation feature works everywhere. You can use your keyboard, you can use this feature to transcribe. And it's actually pretty fast. And it's actually pretty cool to write blog posts, longer blog posts, because now you won't get tired typing. You can get the transcription and format your blog posts. This is how I am being productive and able to write more content. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.